This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first and foremost, launch the calendar app on your tablet. Then select the date that you would like to create an event on. Then tap this plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option. Onwards, fill out all the event details such as its name or title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness, other participants or invitees. You can also add the link to the video conference, set the place that this event will happen at. You can also add set up your notification and reminding preferences, so in order to additionally make sure that you will not forget about it. Then you can change the color that this event will be displayed under, as well as write a brief description or attach some file. Then hit the save button, and here is my event. By tapping on it, I can see all the details that it has. By tapping at the pencil icon, I can edit those details, and I can erase this event from the calendar entirely by opening this menu, going for the delete option, and well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.